Kombo is a local ingredient used to cook many dishes in my culture. It's prepared from ashes of specific plants such as bean wastes, banana peelings, pawpaw plants, and many more. It's used to add taste, preserve the color of certain grains, and make certain foods cook faster. The name Kombo is in my language. Let me know how you call it in your language. Let's look at how it's prepared from bean wastes. After removing your beans from the garden, dry them and heat them using a stick. The purpose of heating is to separate the bean seeds from its rubbish. Now we have our rubbish and we're setting it on fire to get the ash. We've got our ash. Get a container with holes created at the bottom for filtering. We're going to use the pot for collecting the filtrate, which is the Kombo. Add your ash into the container. Pour water onto the ash. Now that's the Kombo we are looking for. Let's pack our Kombo into a container. Let me know how you prepare this in your culture. Our Kombo is ready. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more incredible videos.